I'm back on the streets with my boy Big D, aka Danny.
Hello.
And he said to me, "Have you been to Torchy's?" And I said, "What's a Torchy's?" He said, "Torchy's Tacos from Austin, Texas." Great story about the owner. Just met the manager and the managing partner of this location, which I believe is the first in Arizona, Nadia. And she said the owner originally on a food truck used to deliver tacos on his Vespa to all the local businesses. Now, 94,000 people following it on Instagram. This is their first location. So I said, "You don't have a steak taco, what should I get?" Nadia pointed me towards the Crossroads Taco. So the Crossroads Taco is gonna be brisket, some jalapenos, it looks like some cheese, some avocado. I'm not usually a fan of one slice of avocado. Mash that up a little bit so I get avocado in each bite. Visually, I don't know, but we're gonna see. I'm not gonna prejudge it. We're just gonna judge it for what it's worth, but you know what I like. Now, she also said you gotta try the queso. The queso's to die for. It looks like it's a Z or a 2. I don't know what it is, but it's something. You got some cilantro, looks like you got some cotija cheese, and then she said put this salsa on the taco. So, it's a big hearty taco, and for $5.50, it better be a hearty taco. All right, so Torchy's, Austin, Texas, first location in Arizona, brisket taco. Let's see what it is. They take the brisket and they shred it. It's not a slice of brisket. So my first impression is the taco tastes good. It's a good taco, okay? When I think of brisket though, I think of that outer crust, that exterior. I want a little bit of caramelization in there. I did not get it in the taco. Will I kick the taco out of the bed? No, it can come in. It can hang out with me for a little while. 7-1, good taco. If I worked at the Bed Bath & Beyond or the Floor & Decor, maybe I'd go like a little flooring, little lunch, you know, nice little Saturday. I don't know. Big D, 7-1 for me. What for you?
Yeah, it's not the same as I remember in Austin, but it is good. But about the same range, probably about a 7-3 for me.
Okay, so
I really like the grilled onions in there. Added a lot of flavor. And I think adding the salsa was huge.
Yeah, salsa is actually very good. So, all right, so bonus review. She said the queso's to die for. So we got to go for a little bit of this chip in here. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. The little Z formation. Queso, burn your face off on a chip. Here we go.
Yeah.
Now you done struck a little vein in me here. Look at Rob. Sometimes with these quesos, they'll get real thick and you can't get your chip through it and it just starts coagulating. I can tell you right now, this consistency, when you think about queso, look, some stays on the chip, some drips back down. That's the consistency you want in a queso. That's the consistency I want in a queso. Maybe not you. Score me.
I'd go, that's probably about an 8-6. 8-6, yeah.
I'm gonna tell you right now, he's not that far off. In my head, I was like, this is right in that half. 8.5. It's an 8.5. It's that good. So, Torchy's, I don't know, where are we? Camelback and...
Like 20th Street, Camelback.
You work in the area, you live in the area. By the way, we just stick with the beef tacos because I like the Carne Asada. This was not Carne Asada. A ton more tacos that I would love to try here. I will definitely be back. Torchy's, 7-1 for me, 7-3 for Big D. Queso, 8.5 for me, 8.6 for Big D. Torchy's, first location, Arizona. That's a review.